In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to use task rules for SystmOne to automatically direct online tasks to specific groups. First, I will set up a new task group and then demonstrate how to set up task rules to manage online requests. To set up a group, click Workflow on the menu bar, then Task List. Now click on the Settings tab. This will open the Task Settings window. In the Task Settings window, go to the tree on the left and click on Organization Settings. Under Organization Settings, select User Groups. In the middle panel, check if the group you require has already been created. If not, create a new group by clicking on the New Group button. In the New User Group pop-up, enter the new group name, such as Online Services Team. Then click OK to save. Now you can add staff members to the group. In the Task Settings, under User Groups, highlight New Group Name. On the left-hand side, select the staff members by putting a tick in each of the boxes. Once done, click OK to save. We can now set a task rule to redirect online tasks to the new group. To create a new rule, go to the Task Settings window. Under Organization Settings in the tree, select Rules. Then click on New Rule. In the Task Rule pop-up window, select the new tasks of a particular type. On the left, click the drop-down list to select a task category. Scroll down the list to Built-in Types to check if there is a built-in option you can select. Select the category, such as Online Services Prescription Request. Select the radio button for Assign to a user group. Select the user group from the drop-down list. Then click OK to save. Click OK on the Task Settings window. This rule will automatically redirect all tasks for Online Services Prescription Request to the Online Services team.